Imagine starting your day with the clarity to focus on strategy and analysis rather than getting bogged down by repetitive tasks. With AI for legal assistance, you learn how to integrate advanced artificial intelligence into your daily workflow so that you can leave behind tedious document drafting and endless research. This course invites you to embrace a practical approach that makes your work more efficient and your role more impactful. From expert-led video tutorials and practical guides to engaging audiobooks designed for learning on the go, every resource is crafted to simplify complex AI concepts into actionable skills. As you learn to automate time-consuming tasks, you free up valuable moments to build stronger client relationships and tackle challenging cases with renewed energy. Instead of worrying about change, you become the catalyst who bridges traditional practices with innovative technology. Adding to the value are certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This is more than a course. It is a key to unlocking a new level of professional value and efficiency. Each module is updated regularly to reflect the latest advancements, ensuring your skill set remains fresh and relevant. Discover how to make every minute count by harnessing AI to expand your capabilities and secure your future. You can find all AI for legal assistance training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.